Young Chevy boy, 350 small block Chevrolet, Rebuild, 1970, two-bolt main. This thing is just a monster. Been working on it since November 2010. It's now February 2011. Did everything by myself, from paint, cylinder walls, crank installation, or whatever. Timing chain, original timing chain. Timing chain cover, excuse me. Got the manifolds and the front lead exhaust pipes. They looked a mess. They got cleaned up now though. Got fingerprints all on them, but it's all good. There ain't nothing that ain't gonna come off. Got the oil pan over here. Pistons and rods. Yeah, this rod right here has been machined out. I had bent it. Here are the pistons. Well, piston rings. Installed the piston rings myself. Aim it hard. That little box right there. Rod bearings. You got hang here. Oil pump. I rebuilt it. Still missing like 1-2 pieces. But ain't nothing. Go to timing chain, teeth. I don't know where the other part is right now. Off the back of my head. Here goes timing chain. Oh, cam. I don't know if I'm gonna replace it or get a new one. I don't know yet. I'll deal with that when the time comes. But yeah. Alright, shit boy out.